Hi everyone, I'm Supratik Roy, and this is my final project for Code in Place. It's called Click and Draw. It's a simple drawing tool made with Python, where you can click and draw on the screen, and also change colors by pressing keys. Let me quickly explain how it works. First, I imported the canvas from the graphics library and created a canvas of 600 by 500 pixels. Then, I set the default drawing color to black. There's also a small text instruction on the top that shows which keys to press to change colors. Now, in the draw function, I wait for a mouse click. If I click once, it makes a small circle. If I keep clicking and moving, it connects the dots with lines just like drawing. You can press these keys to change the drawing color. R for red, G for green, B for blue, Y for yellow, O for orange, P for purple, K for black, W for white. If I press the C key, it clears the entire canvas so I can start fresh again. This project helped me learn how to use mouse clicks, key presses, colors, and drawing with Python. I really enjoyed creating this. Hope you liked it too. Thank you, Code in Place.